Welcome back to Homespot, the place where your outdoor space gets the glow up it deserves. What if your next favorite piece of porch decor is already sitting in your garage right now, just waiting to be discovered? Today we are diving into 16 creative spring upcycling ideas that will completely transform your porch and patio without spending a fortune. An old wooden ladder is one of the most versatile things you can repurpose for your porch this spring. Simply sand it down, give it a fresh coat of paint, and load each rung with potted pansies, petunias, and trailing ivy. It adds instant vertical interest and brings that warm, layered garden feel right to your doorstep. Instead of throwing away broken dishes and old tiles, press those colorful shards into a layer of fresh cement around a plain flower pot. The result is a stunning mosaic piece that catches the sunlight beautifully on your patio. Every crack and imperfection becomes part of the art, making each pot completely one of a kind and full of character. That old metal colander sitting forgotten in your kitchen cabinet is actually your next hanging flower basket. Line it with cocoa fiber, fill it with potting mix, and plant a mix of cascading spring flowers. Hang it from your porch beam with twisted rope and watch it become the most charming focal point of your entire outdoor space. A single wooden pallet can completely transform a bare patio fence into a lush living wall this spring. Sand it smooth, paint it white, staple landscape fabric to the back, and fill each opening with rich potting soil. Plant succulents, herbs, or small seasonal flowers, and you have a functional, beautiful vertical garden that takes up almost no floor space. Gather your large tin cans, punch a few drainage holes in the bottom, and hit them with a coat of coordinating pastel spray paint. Plant your favorite spring herbs like basil, thyme, and rosemary inside each one, then arrange them along your patio railing. This budget-friendly project gives you a functional herb garden and a gorgeous pop of color all at once. salvaged window frame leaning against your patio fence is more than just decor. It is the perfect structure for climbing spring vines. Mount it securely, then train clematis or jasmine through the empty panes as they grow. Over the season, the frame fills in with lush blossoms, turning a simple piece of salvage into a breathtaking living garden feature. Large wooden cable spools are incredibly easy to find for free or very cheap, and they make surprisingly stylish outdoor tables. Sand the surface smooth and paint it in a bold spring color like cobalt blue or sunny yellow. Place it between your patio chairs, top it with a potted plant and a cold drink, and enjoy your brand new statement side table. If the wicker back of your favorite patio chair has finally given out, do not toss it. This is your chance to upgrade it. Remove the broken material and hand weave a macrame panel using thick natural rope directly into the frame. The intricate knotted pattern creates beautiful shadows in the afternoon sun and brings a relaxed boho vibe to your entire outdoor sitting area. Pull apart an old dresser and give those drawers a fresh purpose as built-in planter boxes on your patio fence. Paint them in soft antique tones. Line the insides with plastic, add drainage holes, and fill with cascading spring flowers like lobelia and sweet potato vine. Mounted side by side, they look intentional, beautiful, and like something you would find in an upscale garden boutique. Mason jars and solar fairy lights are one of the most effortless patio transformations you can make this spring. Simply drop a strand of solar lights into each jar, hang them at varying heights from shepherd hooks around your patio, and let the sun do the rest. As the evening falls, the jars glow with warm amber light that makes the entire outdoor space feel enchanting and romantic. Old window shutters have a second life waiting for them on your patio wall. Mount them flat against an accent wall and slide small terracotta pots right between the louvered slats at different heights. Fill each pot with spring herbs and trailing flowers, and suddenly a forgotten architectural piece becomes the most charming and functional piece of outdoor wall art on your entire porch. Head to the nearest creek or garden center. Collect a handful of smooth river rocks and transform them into hand-painted spring art for your porch steps and garden border. Paint delicate wildflowers, herb names, or simple patterns using fine brushes and outdoor paint. These little stones are incredibly satisfying to make, cost almost nothing, and add a handcrafted, personal touch that brings your whole porch together. Car tires are one of the most underrated free materials for outdoor DIY projects. Stack 2 tires together, wrap them tightly in braided natural rope from top to bottom, and top the whole thing with a plywood circle covered in a weatherproof outdoor cushion. The finished Ottoman is sturdy, stylish, and surprisingly comfortable. A perfect extra seat for your patio that costs you almost nothing. A vintage suitcase is the most unexpected and conversation-starting planner you can add to your spring patio. Open it flat, line the interior with plastic sheeting, add a layer of drainage gravel, and fill it with rich succulent mix. Arrange a lush variety of succulents in rosettes of green, blue-gray, and burgundy across the full surface for a stunning living display that stops everyone in their tracks. Gather a bundle of salvaged fence pickets and paint them in a beautiful ombre gradient from pale yellow to warm coral. Arrange them in a sunburst or chevron pattern and mount the whole piece to your patio accent wall. The bold geometric design brings serious style to an otherwise plain outdoor space, and the ombre spring palette makes it feel fresh, modern, and completely season appropriate. Remove the wiring from a vintage chandelier, give it a coat of matte white paint, and hang it from your porch beam as a spectacular trailing planter. Nestle small pots of ivy, string of pearls, and baby tears into each light socket holder and let them cascade freely downward. As the plants grow throughout the spring, the chandelier fills in with lush greenery that is truly stunning. So there you have it, 16 ways to turn everyday objects into stunning spring art for your porch and patio, from mosaic pots and ladder shelves to chandelier planters and sunburst wall art. The best transformations come from the things you already own. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to Homespot so you never miss a new idea, and drop your favorite project in the comments below. We love hearing from you.